Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. Have you ever seen a picture of the Earth taken from outer space? It's beautiful. We live on such an amazing planet. If you have the chance to look at a picture of the Earth, you'll notice some green, which is the land, the blue is the water, and the white is the clouds swirling around. We're gonna make a piece of art today that looks like the Earth. So what you're gonna need to do is take a paper towel and put that down. Then take a coffee filter and flatten it out and put it on that paper towel. Now we are going to color some green and some blue. So first I'm gonna start with green. This is gonna be like the ground of the Earth. So just make some green all over, which represent the land. Now I'm gonna color the rest of it with blue. The Earth is mostly water, so I'm gonna do most of the coffee filter blue for water. It's okay if the colors overlap. If you leave some white, totally okay. Just get most of the coffee filter to be blue for the water. All right, so I've finished coloring. I've got my green land masses, I've got the blue for the water. Now, I'm gonna take a spray bottle full of water and I'm gonna spray this whole coffee filter and make it wet. What's gonna happen is those colors are gonna spread out. Now just watch it and watch how cool all these colors get when they spread out. I'm gonna spray it a little bit more, allow those colors to really mix together and spread out, and it makes a beautiful picture of the Earth. Let it dry, and then you have a beautiful piece of art. If you want to do more fun activities, check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.